Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Bang & Olufsen BEOLAB 8 wireless speaker or speakers and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this speaker is not connecting to your device, or if it's not pairing or syncing with Bluetooth or with the app, or if you're having any kind of issues like that, a factory reset can fix a lot of those issues and get it working again. Now the second reason you might want to do this is if for whatever reason you want to set this speaker up somewhere new, maybe on a new app or anything like that, and you just want to get it back to the way it was when it came out of the box so you can set it up new. We can do this really easily. Once you do this, you'll need to delete the old one off the app or anything like that, because you'll be setting this up like it's a totally new speaker. But basically it's really easy to do. You're just going to make sure that the speaker is plugged in and turned on, and then you're just going to come in and press and hold the arrow, the back arrow and the forward arrow on the top of the speaker. Just press and hold that for 8 seconds. And after 8 seconds, that will trigger a factory reset. And give it about a minute to do its thing. Then you can turn it on, go back to the Bang & Olufsen app, and add, delete the old device, add this one back on like you're adding a brand new speaker.